this episode of the series, finally get to go racing. Today's the day we get to see if all the work's paid off and get to go have some fun and race the VH with the new engine for the first time. So we're on the way to the track now. Can't wait to get it on there. So we made it to the track and we've passed scrutineering. Everything passed pretty good. Just cable tied up a couple loose things in the engine bay and fixed a little oil leak that we had from the oil cooler adapter that's still plaguing us, but hopefully that's all good now. So yeah, keen to hit the track soon.
So if you guys can do that, it works really well for you and it works well for everyone in the event.
Right, it's 6:30 now. We've waited a while, but racing's just begun. Yeah, we're ready to go out. So just finished the first run in the VH ever. Went really good. No problems really. Nothing I didn't know anyway. The steering is a little bit shaky in the middle, but that's because we didn't get alignment, so everything's probably pointed like this, which is fair enough. But apart from that, power delivery is really good. One of the hardest parts was actually just finding the gears, because I'm not used to this 6-speed gearbox. Gear number 3, you sort of have to go a little bit to the left rather than sort of straight up, but yeah, sort of nailed that in the end, and still just clutch position and trying to heel toes, just got to learn that again, because the clutch pedal's all different. But yeah, apart from that, super stoked, really good. Nice power going up the hill and stuff. Don't quite trust the brakes yet, but we'll get faster and faster as the night goes on. Doing a spanner check on the car. There's a little leak coming from the gearbox somewhere, so we just got to jack it up and check a few things. Apart from that, car went pretty good. Got my fastest time so far in the middle there. 1 minute 12.670. Where are we? Just above there. So yeah, 4 seconds faster. About to go out for my second run. Hopefully it goes good. Fixed up a few oil leaks. We tweaked up a few things, so hopefully the second run goes as good as the first one. So yeah, stoked. car a quick cool off, but she's going great, having heaps of fun. So much power, like just everywhere through the rev range compared to the old one. So yeah, really stoked, and love it. Getting faster. 111 point, was it 0.8?
Yeah.
So much fun. Everybody should do this. LS the world. More runs, there's less people, everyone's disappearing. Getting faster again. Well, last session I got improved, I got a 110.52, so that's the time to beat, Dad. What do you reckon? Can you do it next time?
It'll be a big ask.
Yeah. So yeah, time to pack her up, go home.
The supercar tyres are cheap.
Well, you get them way cheaper than everyone else.
Some lots more expensive. What, the
You're
Yerkes?
paying nearly half price.
What, the Yerkes?
Yeah.
No,
IPU are nearly half price.
no, IP get fucking another 10% off. Fucking.
So there you have it. The conversion's complete, tested, car ran really well. Wasn't expecting to beat my PB by that much. 6 seconds is a fair deal. So yeah, definitely worth the engine upgrade and all the heartache and frustration, because it's a lot of fun in the end. The hardest part to get used to was probably the 6-speed gearbox. The throw, had to get used to that. And the clutch pedal as well, where the clutch actually bites, you know, a bit further up the top. Because I'm a bit of a tall guy, this car's not really set up for that. I can't move my seat back any further. So it's a little bit cramped, and trying to heel toe was a little bit difficult. I found if I didn't get it right the first time, then my foot sort of got stuck underneath the accelerator pedal as well, and you know, it wasn't that great. But I got the hang of it. The brakes went really well, the AP Racing calipers. I sort of kept testing them, and they just kept pulling up more and more. I did get a little bit of brake fade towards the end, but that's how it goes. Temperature in the car was perfect. Had the thermo fan hardwired on the whole time. So it just cracked over 100 by the end of like our 4th lap. But then on the cool down lap came underneath 100, no worries. Oil breathing catch can worked really well, as did, yeah, just the whole engine package. So still a few more things to fix up, little bits and pieces. Yeah, the oil leak we've got coming from the oil cooler adapter. Gonna have to rip that off and do it up properly off the car. Just tidy up some wiring, gonna wire in that thermo fan properly. Bonnet pins to put in, gotta finish the body work as well. Do a little respray on the panels that we fixed up. Plus maybe some signage as well. The next event's only about a month away, so won't be resting on our laurels too much. But yeah, amazing conversion. Recommend it to anyone that's thinking about it. Yes, it costs a little bit, but if you do it bit by bit, you don't notice, and you know, it's race car, so it's always gonna cost a little bit. I might do a final analysis of all the costs and stuff, so you'll see that coming up. But yeah, for now, had a really successful race day, and looking forward to doing some more racing in the future, because yeah, the engine package is brilliant.